Good morning, guys. Today is laundry day. We got this off of Amazon. I'm just going to show you guys how it works. This is great for people that live in apartments, RVs, tiny homes. So I have to plug it in. The cord is very short, so I have to use an extension cord. This is the drain hose, and we stick it in right there, right in here. You do not want the underneath of this to get wet, because then it'll stop working. This is the wash, and this is a spin dryer. It gets a good amount of water out of the clothes, and it dries in less than an hour, depending how hot it is outside. And these are your settings. Turn this back to normal. There's no difference between normal and soft for this one, and that's how many seconds and minutes it goes. Let me throw some clothes and show you guys how it works. Okay, so I have about 5 things in there. For depending what it is, like for jeans, that's it. 1 pair is all you could fit, or it won't like swish around right. Underwear, you could probably do about 10 pairs. Leggings, I do like 5 or 6 pair, and shirts are about 5. So to fill the water up, I get our shower. It's easy to do it in the shower. That way it just drains right out. And then I turn hot and cold on. And make sure it's on normal, not drain, or else the water will just pour right out. And then I'm just going to let it fill up. Since there's a good amount of clothes in here, I'm going to fill it up probably to like right here. That way it washes the right way. So I'll see when this fills up. When you're not connected to city water, like at an RV park, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but right underneath our bed is where our holding tank is and the water pump. So you'll hear that buzzing noise. All right, so it's at the amount that I think is good for the amount of clothes that are in it. So we're just going to turn this off. And what's nice about this is that you don't need a lot of detergent. I'll show you. All right, so I filled it up, not even half a cup. You guys could really see it. And then I'm just going to drizzle it right in. And this won't turn on. This won't turn on until the lid is closed. All right, so we're going to close that. And then I'm going to put it on for 15 minutes. And as you can see, it's swishing around. If I open it, it turns off. So I'll see you guys when the spin cycle is ready. Alright, so it's done, and as you can see, it is gross. That's our work clothes. So we're going to click drain and do another wash to get the soap and whatever else out. As you can see, it's going right into the drain. So I'm going to let this drain out, and then we're going to do another cycle for this. Alright, so clothes are in the dryer. They give you this to like compact it all in there. I press it down, and then we're going to close this. And then I'm going to turn it all the way. And that's how I use this laundry machine.